Now, my sunroof, or MoonRoof, doesn't work very well. Oh. That's good, isn't it? So the tilt works. Now to remove the glass, we need to pull out this trim and this trim on this side. So if you get yourself a trim removal tool, some description. Right, and that's that one off there. Now let's pop these two bolts off and then lift up from the top. And, sorry. Now, I'm going to go back in the car to get a look at the motor. So underneath here, so to pull this cover off, that is that. Now we have 3 screws. One there, and one there. And then we can lever this out. And there is our motor. So if we just lean that down, and I'll take these 2 bolts. Now those bolts are out. The motor falls sort of off, but there is a plug up in here, which I think to get to you need to take the headliner out. But we can have a look. You can sort of see there's a lot of rust and muck inside of here. So we're going to clean that all up. Yeah, that's horrible. Maybe it's just binding up. Now the motor's out, we can actually move these. So this is sort of what it looks like on both sides. And you can see this sort of wire that runs down through here. So that runs on both sides and then they cross where the motor is. So each side of the motor will pull both sides in and out. So you see mine are pretty dirty, rusty. Insides in this area is really rusty. So we're just going to clean all this up on both sides, clean inside of here, lubricate it all, and hopefully that should fix any issues. Specialist silicone, and we're going to put that up in. Side of here, just to give it a little bit of lubrication. Now, we can leave the glass out and check the operation. So I pushed it all the way back and sent the motor to the back. So in theory, it should think it's open. I close it. That looks like the close position. So I guess we can then open it. And then close it. Looks about right, doesn't it? Move the tilt. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is just put the tilt up and then just lubricate around here. And now we're going to drop the glass back in. Now it's all secured back down, we can check it operates correctly. So must be fully open. And if we close it. Cool, and then the tilt. There you go. So I think it's fixed. So I actually did buy a full, I've literally got a full unit of this whole sunroof assembly in my garage. So if there's anyone that needs pictures or anything beyond what we've shown today, just let me know, drop me a message on Instagram and I can ping them across. Because the service manual for these isn't that great, but if you're, essentially what you want to do is once you take the motor off, you want to put it, if you don't spin it, you want to put it back where it was. Now this always thought it was open, so I think the last lad who owned it took it off because it got stuck open. But obviously he didn't put it back in the right place, so it gets lost. So if you get lost, push the rails all the way to the back, open it, spin the motor, put it disconnected all the way to the back, and then try like that. And now I just need to clean up all, there's like rusty muck all over the seats. We'll clean all that off, and then yeah, if you enjoyed this one, found it helpful, please like and subscribe. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, I think we've got a Facebook account for more regular updates. But next, probably on this, will be 2 rear wheel bearings. Both of those have failed. And then we'll be looking at the tilt and telescopic functions as well, trying to repair those. So stay tuned, make sure you follow the playlist. See you next one.